Hi everyone, my name is Mark Moykins from Big Mountain Studio, and today's storyboard tip will be about how to update the constants for your constraints. What I mean by that is every time you have some kind of constraint on your object, you have these values on it that are called constants. So what if you change your object here, and now you have to update this constraint? You have to add 74 to it. Well, I'm going to show you a couple different ways. One of the things that you can do is you can come here and double click this, and you know this one is 74 off, so you have to add 74 to 21. So you're going to get 95. And then it no longer is a problem. So that's one way that you can update it. There's a couple other ways that you can update it too. Let me move this and I'll show you here. Okay, so now you see there's a couple of things I need to update. I need to subtract 2 from this one and add 151.5 to this constraint. Okay, so what I could do is I could go in and go into those constraints right here and update them. And you can see as I highlight them, they highlight on the storyboard, so I know which one is which. Or I can come down here and I can say update constraint constants. And this is just for the selected views. So I have one selected, but if there are many that were out of place, I could use this one down here, update constraint constants, and it'll do it for everything that needs updating. So I'm only going to do it for this label right here. So I'm just going to click on that, and then it updates it for me. So there's one more way that I can update constraints as well, and that is by hovering over them. And you notice when I hover over it, the constraint highlights, right? Well, once it's highlighted, double click, and then it brings up the constraint information right here on the storyboard. So I can update this if I want to. Maybe I want to put it back over on the left there, or on the right rather. So I just update it like that, and it goes back. And I come here and I want to change this one back, double click it, change it back to 16, hit enter, and it goes back. So there you go. I've given you a few different ways to update constraint constants, and that is by either going through the size inspector and double clicking these numbers right here. You can also move the object and update constraints down here, update constraint constants. Or you can hover over the constraint till it highlights, double click it, and then change it right here. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider sharing it if you want other people to watch my videos and learn some of the things that you've learned. And also consider subscribing, and I'll be coming out more videos in the future. Alright, thanks.